Greetings and welcome back for another Music Theory Bite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sing major seventh chords. If that sounds like something you'd like to learn more about, then this is the video for you. But before you dive into this video, you should check out my video on spelling seventh chords. That will give you all the background and theory that you need to know in order to be successful with this material. So if you're ready, let's begin. As always, we're going to use the teapots method for singing our major seventh chords. Teapot stands for theory, plan, tonic, scale degrees. Theory, make sure you understand what the structure is made of, what scale degrees go into it. After all, if you don't know what you're going to sing, how can you sing it? Next is the plan, which consists of finding tonic and then singing the scale degrees that go into that structure. Let's do a little review of the theory behind major seventh chords. Major seventh chords show up in four places in the major-minor tonal system. In the major scale, they show up as the tonic seventh chord, built on scale degree 1, and the subdominant seventh chord, built on scale degree 4. In the minor mode, they show up as the mediant seventh chord, built on scale degree 3, and the submediant seventh chord, built on the lowered 6th scale degree. When singing a major seventh chord out of context, we're going to choose the tonic seventh chord in the major mode because it's the most common and, out of context, it's also the easiest one to hear. This chord consists of scale degrees 1 as the root, 3 as the third, 5 as the 5th, and 7 as the 7th. Like all tonic chords, it carries with it a tonic function, meaning that it doesn't necessarily have a desire to resolve any particular direction. So let's start by singing a root position major seventh chord. First, I'll give myself a pitch to start from. How about this one? Since that's going to be the root of the chord, and I'm using a tonic seventh chord, I know that that is scale degree 1. I already know where tonic is, so the next step is to set myself up in the key to make sure that I know where all the scale degrees are. So I'm going to do that using my standard setup. You could also just sing a scale or sing a simple harmonic progression. I'll use the standard setup. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 5, 1. Now it's simply a matter of singing the component scale degrees. 1, 3, 5, 7. And that's a major seventh chord. Now, I've sung it in root position, but I could just as easily sing it in inversion. Seventh chords can be inverted. So if I take that same starting pitch, where it was scale degree 1 in a root position, I could now treat that as scale degree 3 for a first inversion major seventh chord. Step 1, of course, is always to find tonic. 3, 2, 1. Then, if I need to, I can set myself up in the key. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 5, 1. Then I sing the component scale degrees in order. 3, 5, 7, 1. If I wanted to do it in second inversion, again I'll take the same starting pitch. Now I treat it as scale degree 5. 5, 1. I could use either pattern for scale degree 5 to find tonic. In this case I use the alternate pattern because that's the direction I'm going to be singing. Now that I know where tonic is, I can sing the setup. I'm going to skip that step for now. 5, 7, 1, 3. And that is a second inversion major seventh chord. And finally there's third inversion. The beginning pitch of a third inversion major seventh chord would be scale degree 7. 7, 1. I could do the setup. I don't think I need to in this case. I think I'm just going to go ahead and sing the chord. 7, 1, 3, 5. and I've sung all of my major seventh chords. And that's how you sing a major seventh chord when given a starting pitch and an inversion. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get fluent, get comfortable singing those structures. Once you're comfortable with those, singing them from a starting pitch up through the chord, then start to challenge yourself. An easy way to do it is to change the ordering of the pitches that you sing. So for example, all seventh chords have 24 different orderings. That is 24 different ways that you could put them together without changing the chord or the pitches in it. So for example, if I wanted to sing a major seventh chord in root position, but I'll start on the fifth and I'll sing fifth, root, third, seventh, it might sound like this. There's my fifth. That's scale degree 5. 5, 3, 1. If I need to, I can sing my setup. I think I can skip that step for now. I'm going to sing fifth, root, third, seventh. 5, 1, 3, 7. And I can do that with any of the 24 different orderings. I would pay particular attention to being able to sing the chord both up from a starting pitch and down from a starting pitch. There are all sorts of ways that you can change this chord around to make it more interesting melodically so that you can use it in your compositions and your theory exercises. Well, that does it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure you like it. As always, you can leave constructive comments below. And to stay on top of the latest music theory bites as they become available, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time.